Introducing Creative Cuts Antique Street Lamps Layering Die Set. On the back, you'll see the cardstocks used to create the images shown. You'll layer them together to complete the images. On the inside, you will see all of the dies included in your set. And on the front, you'll see an image of a project you could create. Let's get started with layering together. We'll layer this pole over on the far left-hand side of this lamppost. Next, we'll put these little dark notches onto the poles right there. There are two sets of these, and they're both different sizes. For this street pole, we'll align the long street lamp. And next, we'll align the little notches on this street pole. And that will complete that. We'll begin with a hanging plant. So we've got the pot there. Then we'll use the outline of that to align the next layer. For the plant, I align it in the center with the leaves at the top of the potter and the plant going straight up and down. And this will align with the eye at the top of the plant holder. We'll align that and bring the plant holder down, macrame holder. And then we'll add the plant holder at the top there. Next, we'll do our first street light with the top part there. There are 4 sections on this lamp, so we'll layer those together using the outline. And finally, we'll put the piece at the top of the light. Next, we'll do the next street lamp. We'll get those into place. This one has 2 separate pieces to layer together for layer number 3. Get those in place. And finally, we'll layer together the top of the street lamp that will be the hanging effect for us. Next, we have 3 cute little light bulbs. We'll get those put into place at the bottom. And at the top, we'll put the silver or gray part that would be the top of the light bulb. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your antique street lamps. Here is some inspiration from our amazing designers using this set. To find out more about Creative Cuts Antique Street Lamps and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.